The 2003 Echo. The Toyota Echo bears an awesome little engine that's clean and efficient. The quality suspension helps produce the ride of a much larger car, and anti-vibration tricks in the chassis make the car amazingly smooth at highway speeds. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, child safety locks, bucket seats, passenger airbag, front disc rear drum brakes, cloth seats, steel wheels, tires, rear all season, tires, front all season, wheel covers, rear bench seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.